So, Sunday at 1, we should plan and discuss our project.
Yeah, that works for me.
We can meet near Bin Downs, because there's a station near there, or we can, those other stations there closer.
No. Clifton Down works for me.
Okay, cool.
I don't really know what to say.
No one ever really does, that's just half the fun.
What's the other half?
I don't really know, I think it's the expression. I think it's something my dad used to say to me when I was younger.
Oh. Okay.
So do you want to still tag along?
Yeah, but where are we actually going?
Oh, so you know Newton's Quay? It's like an hour's bus ride from here. We can discuss our project on the way there.
Yeah, of course.
Great, see you there.
Just make like 10 seconds.
That's a stupid question.
That's the whole point of Would You Rather, they're all stupid questions.
I guess I'll pick the cows option then.
So you'd rather fight 20 chicken-sized cows than one cow-sized chicken?
Yeah, of course. You could just kick them.
That logic is as watertight as a condom.
Thank you.
That's what I... never mind. I'll just say.
I cannot believe we had to walk 3 stops till the bus broke down.
I know, I hate public transport sometimes.
Yeah. At least we're here now, though.
Yep, all set, ready to go.
Mm.
You look hungry.
Not really.
Well, I am. That means you are.
Okay.
You better be. Anyway, I got some snacks. I've got, in the menu of the classics, we've got cheese and onion.
Okay.
Not sponsored by Walkers.
They wouldn't sponsor you anyway.
And we have ready salted.
Decent.
And we have prawn cock.
Oh, and they're my favorite as well.
No, not that.
What?
I forgot one.
What did you forget?
It.
It. Oh, Jesus Christ, man. What are you doing?
I left it on the bus.
Well, you're not gonna get it now. Just come back and phone them up.
No, yeah, I understand. No, it's I just I really need it, please. Okay. They won't give it to us until the end of the route.
No, tell them you need it now. Give me the phone. Listen, asshole. Yeah, they're sending someone to drop it off.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow. Thank you.
it's no problem.
You know, you're really angry on the phone.
Thank you.
I think it's a natural talent.
I appreciate that.
Yeah. Oh, that was a nightmare. Well, at least we've done it now. And we did our project along the way.
Yeah, we did.
2 birds, 1 stone.
Do you think we could
We could what?
kill 2 birds with 1 stone?
I think it surely depends on the stone.
No. Surely it depends on the birds.
Well, if there were 20 chicken-sized cows, I could be beg to differ.
Touché. I'm sorry, by the way.
Ah, don't be. You didn't kill him. It was painless death.
Actually, I wanted to say that if your father was anything like you, then he must have been a great guy.
It's like judging the sequels by the original.
Well, then I guess you're definitely the Empire Strikes Back of sequels, aren't you?
No. Blush. Thanks for coming, by the way.
Oh, no worry.
most people would have made an excuse. I know I would have.
Actually, I couldn't think of one fast enough. Also, I got terrible liar, so.
Well, that's good enough for me.
You wanna go out for lunch?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind. Hope it's not a date.
Yeah, good to know.
And I'm heartbroken by that.
It's windy as fuck, man.
Oh, you know what? It's a shame that my dad wasn't in the